Welcome back to the channel. Today we're learning how to put in a ceiling fan. You're going to need a drill and an adjustable screwdriver. It's a brand new fan. Cheapest one they got off the shelf. It's got the fan blades. You could do them either wood style or white, depending on which ones you want to look at. Got the manual. We don't need that. It's the bracket. This is important. All the hardware, nothing in there. And first thing we got to get done is the mounting bracket. I guess before that we'll build the fan blades. Take this out, I guess. This out. This is what mounts to the mounting bracket. And this is what we need to build the fans with. We'll take this out. Okay. Put this back in to make life easy for the hardware. So to build the fan blades, you're going to need these little screws right here with the washers. Pretty much put the screw on the washer. Just like that, and then keep building them. Guess let me lower it down, get a better view. This is just part of it that we can do. And when you're doing the ceiling fan, you want to make sure the power's off. I turned off the breaker, so we should have no problems at all. Yeah, it's a bunch of these guys. It's a lot. It's definitely a lot. You guys can like and comment. We appreciate the support. Definitely take a while. Set these screws aside. That's trash. And I like to get them all set up so we can just get the fan blades going real fast. Alright, we are ready. Open up the fan blades. So we're doing the brown side down, so that. These are the brackets. Time. And it just goes like this. Put these 3 screws in. Now we're using a drill today. I got a quick disconnect. I got the Phillips. I like to do the middle one first to get everything centered. One down, couple more to go. Get another bracket. want to go slow with the drill. You don't want to go too fast and strip it out or sling it somewhere. Right, another one done. Got 3 left. Flip it over. We're doing the wood side down. Get 3 screws. Oh, I got butterfingers. It's not good to have butterfingers. Dropping everything. I appreciate everyone watching the video. Definitely comment if you got any questions. Try to help you out the best I can. Alright. 3 screws. What's going on? Alright, last blade to go, and then we'll get the mounting bracket up. Last one of these. I'm a little quick at it because I did a couple already. Alright, we got the fan blades assembled. Now we will put the bracket in. I left the bracket, nope, it's right here. So we'll adjust everybody up to the ceiling now. I gotta change out the tip and the drill for the flathead. Okay. Alright, that's where we're mounting the light. Oh, the fan. The fan is going. Fan mount. Follow for more education and information.